It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, it's Graphics and Multimedia, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can place orders successful on Pinduoduo, a beginner friendly tutorial. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach, and if you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can place order or how you can buy from multiple suppliers on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. The first thing first, you have to make sure you add your product to cart, and after you have successfully add your product to cart, then you need to click on the profile picture right here. Click on this place. So the next thing you need to do is to click on here. Alright, so at this point here, this is where you need to select all the supplier you want to buy from. Okay, so I'm buying from these two supplier right here. So I'm going to click on those dots. So I'm going to select this product. I will select this product. That's two. Then I'm buying all these spec right here. These three spec, I'm buying them all. So I will have to select. I will click on here, select this. I'm selecting this. Okay. So, and then I'm buying all these products right here, all these. So I have to click on here, 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 and make sure I select everything. All right, so after you select everything, so you are going to see the amount I'm paying for this product here is 466.57 RMB. That's the amount I'm paying to purchase all these products right here. So for you to make a payment, you have to click on here. Then it take you here, so you can also check more about the product preview. So you're going to be presented with product preview. So when you scroll down, you have to make sure that your Alipay is active and make sure this is checked. Okay. So the next thing you need to do is to click on here to make payment with your Alipay. So it take you right here, so you can see the amount I'm paying, 466.57 RMB, and then you have to make sure that your balance is checked. Okay, next thing you want to do right here is to click on confirm. So at this point here, you need to enter your payment password to complete your payment. Boom. So you can see the payment has been done successful, and then you can see the notification of payment from Alipay right here. You can see payment successful. Okay, so the next thing you have to do here is to click on done. Since your payment has been done successful, click on done. So once you click on done, it brought you back to where you had the product to cart, and then you can click on back. Then by the time you refresh your profile page, so you're going to see all the products you just made payment for. So you can see it right here that we just paid for 9 products is already waiting for shipment. So this is how you can procure from different supplier on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this about importation. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.